Although a tide turns in the trees, the moon doesn't turn the leaves. Though chimneys smoke and blue concedes to bluer home-time dark. The restless leaves submerge the park in yellow shallows, ankle deep, and through each tree the moon shows, halved or quartered or complete. The moon's no fruit and has no seed, turns no side of leaves on paths, but still persist but do not lead where they did before dark. Although the moonstruck pond stares hard, the moon looks elsewhere, manholes breathe. Each mind's a different, distant world. This same moon will not leave.